Hi, this is Mary Ann Chihamba, and welcome back to another episode of GastroSoul. Today, we are going to make passion fruit bars. Now, I love passion fruit, and it's a fruit that grows all over the tropics, in Latin America, in Africa, and also in Asia, but in the tropical zone. It's got this nice, bright, luscious, just very bright flavor, and it really blends itself well to bar cookies. Now, if you like lemon bars, you're going to love passion fruit bars. All right, so let's start by looking at our ingredients. All right, first we're going to start with our crust, which is going to be 1 stick of melted butter, half a cup of sugar, teaspoon of vanilla, and just a teaspoon of salt. So I'm just going to stir all these together. Okay, they're nice and blended. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. There's your 1, 2. So the kind of crust, you see it's very crumbly, and this is because this is going to be a shortbread crust. And so now I'm going to take this and put it into a foil-lined 9 by 13 baking dish. Pour that all in. I'm going to spread it out evenly. Yeah, and this is a recipe that always gets lots of rave reviews whenever you bring it to a potluck, or if you are in charge of bringing dessert. Oh, this is so good. And it's a nice portable dessert too. It travels very well. So now that the crust is nice and even, we're going to put this in the oven and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. And meanwhile, we'll make the filling. So right now, let's put it into the oven. So the second very important part of our passion fruit bars is, of course, the filling. So for that, I'm going to need 8 eggs. And the reason why is it's really a custard. It's a passion fruit custard. Okay. So you've got our 8 eggs, and then I'm going to add 2 1/3 cups of sugar and some 1 packet, which is about 1 packet of passion fruit puree. It's about 14 ounces. Take all that, and we're just going to whisk it together until it's completely homogeneous. All right, and so once those are nicely whisked together, I'm going to put in half a cup of flour. So it's been about 25 minutes, and you see that our crust it's nicely golden. Now I'm going to pour the filling right in. Put it back. We've put the custard mixture on top of the crust, and we're going to let that cook for about 25 minutes at the reduced heat of 325 degrees. And here we have our finished passion fruit bars. They are absolutely delicious, and again, if you love lemon bars, you're going to absolutely adore passion fruit bars. And thank you for watching another episode of GastroSoul. I hope to see you again soon.